Hello! In this video, you will learn how to use the web version of the PRIZM wallet. So, to start working with the wallet, use any internet browser to go to the PRIZM Space webpage. You will be redirected to the GitHub portal account that hosts the source application file for the Android mobile platform. Link to the web version of the wallet. Link to the technological wallets for professional programmers. The source code of the fully functional 4G node of the PRIZM cryptocurrency. A fully functional API for connecting PRIZMs to third-party sites, markets, or electronic asset exchange points. The installer for launching the 4G node for the Windows platform. Open Blockchain Explorer PRIZM. To work with the web version, click on the link User-Friendly Online Wallet. Once you do that, the login page is loaded, where you can register a new wallet or log into the wallet previously created via another browser or mobile application. To create a new wallet, click on the registration link. The system automatically generates a private key for you, which is the password for logging into your wallet account. The key is generated in your browser. It is not recorded and is not sent to anywhere, so you will not be able to restore it. Please pay attention. Save your private key on several data carriers, take a picture, or just write it down on a paper and store in a secure place. Next, we click the button Sign In to enter your PRIZM account. Before the first login, the system asks you to set up a PIN code to protect your wallet against unauthorized third-party access on this device. Once you set a PIN code, then confirm it, and the system provides an access to the PRIZM wallet. Let's take a look at its functionality. At the upper left, next to the logo, we can see two numeric fields marked with the letters B and P. The section marked with the letter B displays the current wallet balance available for transactions in a numerical format up to 100th. In the section marked with the letter P, the para balance is displayed in numerical format. One line below, in the central part of the wallet field, we see an alphanumeric code starting with a PRIZM prefix. This is the address of your wallet. Clicking on it opens an additional window in which we see the QR code of your wallet, wallet address, public key and identifier. These are the details of your wallet, which you can freely give to anyone because these details do not give an access to the account. Close the window and go to the upper right corner of the screen. Here we can see the labels Send Password and Exit. When you click Send, a window appears for entering the details of the recipient to whom you are going to make a PRIZM transaction. To make a payment, you need to specify the address of the recipient's wallet, his public key, the sum of a transfer, and the text comment for the recipient. Click Proceed. At this point, the payment fee is being calculated, and the wallet will inform you whether you have enough coins for this transaction. If the number of coins is not enough, a warning will appear and the maximum available amount will be displayed. If everything is correct and the sum of transaction corresponds to your balance, click the Submit button and the wallet makes a transaction record in the blockchain. Note that the payment is complete, but balance and parabalance data have not yet been updated, as this is a decentralized system. You should wait a few minutes until the blockchain network confirms the legitimacy of the committed transaction. Do not try to repeat the transaction. Once the blockchain records the transaction, it will appear on your payment list. At the moment of a transaction, the system automatically makes the second records in the blockchain about the new coins that should be generated and credited to your wallet's address. A few minutes later, you receive an incoming transaction from the generator of new coins marked PARAMINING. At the same time with this transaction, the system calculates the new PARAMINING conditions for you, based on the number of coins in your wallet and the total number of coins in the wallets of followers. The counter of the PARAMINING starts again and continues to work until the next transaction, after which the procedure will be repeated. Please note that the PARAMINING income transactions are made starting from 100th PRIZM. The system works completely autonomously. It does not have the possibility of falsification and scam, since all actions are recorded in the blockchain and stored by each user of the network engaged in forging new blocks. Check it out very easily. First, go to prism.space. Open the Blocker Explorer. In the search field, specify your wallet. Once you do that, an accounting book is opened from which you can get full information about the transactions and the PARAMINING incomes. The accrual of new PARAMINING coins comes from the Genesis unit, which emits new coins for all users of the network in automated mode. Genesis is an account that generates anti-tokens and its balance constantly goes into minus. You can always check the balance of Genesis. The number of anti-tokens corresponds to the number of coins in the wallet of all PRIZM users. PRIZM is the world's only fair, completely decentralized, open, and safe-to-use cryptocurrency. Start using PRIZM in daily payments today, and tomorrow you will see how the world around you starts to change for the better. May the PRIZM force be with you.